Hello everyone. So in this question we are given a matrix, then we have to apply the given elementary transformations, then we have to tell what do we conclude from the question. So for that we will first write the given matrix which we are having, that A is equal to, so A is the matrix of, first we have -1, -1, 3, then we have 2, 1, 0, then 3, 3 and 1. Now we have to apply that in the third row. We have to multiply the third row by 3, so the third row will get changed. So here it can be written as that in R3 we have to multiply R3 by 3. Therefore we will be having that A will be equal to, so now A will be the matrix of, so other rows will remain same, that is -1, -1, 3. Then we have 2, 1, 0. Now we have to multiply third row by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So here we have applied this transformation. After that we have to make the change in the third column such that third column will be added with twice of the second column. So therefore the matrix A will be equal to, so now this will be equal to, other columns will remain same, so the columns will be, so we will make change in this matrix, so we will be having -1, 2, 9, then we have -1, 1, 9. Now in the third column it will be C3 plus twice of C2. Therefore we will be having 3 plus twice of -1. Then we have 0 plus twice of 1. After that we have 3 plus twice of 9. Now we will simplify it. Therefore this becomes equal to the matrix of, now the terms will be -1, 2, 9. Next we have -1, 1 and 9. Then we have 1, 2 and then we have 21. So here we have the matrix, but we have performed this elementary transformation to this matrix. Now we will perform this transformation to the given matrix. So we will be having that the matrix A will be equal to, so this will now contain the elements, so the elements contained will be, so other columns will remain same, that is -1, 2, 3, -1, 1, 3, and here we will be having thrice of twice of -1, 0 plus twice of 1, then we have 1 plus twice of 3, and it will be equal to the matrix of, so it will be -1, 2, 3, then we have -1, 1 and 3. Here we will be having 1, here we will be having 2 and here we have 7. After that we will apply R3 changes to thrice of R3. So we will be applying that elementary transformation to this matrix. Therefore A will be equal to the matrix of, so other rows will remain same, that is -1, -1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now thrice of 3 is 9 and thrice of 7 is 21. So here we can see that this matrix is equal to this matrix. So we have that the matrix 1 is equal to the matrix 2, that we have mentioned this as equation 1 and equation 2. So therefore we can say that hence the transformations, so hence the transformations are commutative. That is, the steps of instruction can be followed in any order. I hope you now have a better understanding of the question. Thank you.